We're not touching you. I said step out of the car.
Touching my car. I'm not trying to talk.
Sure, go ahead.
I'm exchanging information and communicating.
Third time, get out of the car.
I'm getting out of the car.
Step out.
I looked to my side and saw him holding my door. I addressed that. I'm not being difficult. Hands are up. My lights are on.
Step out of the car and stop talking.
Come on.
Stop. You stopped coming out of my car.
Just come out.
What you mean?
Just come out. Simple.
Your car's going to be
Just face
searched.
the vehicle.
We're going to detain you, put your hands behind your back.
Face the
Your car's
vehicle.
going to be searched.
Hey, wait. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Let me turn around. I will turn around. Hey, I'm calm.
Hands behind your back.
Yo, can you talk to your partner?
Turn around.
Talk to your partner. I don't have a problem.
Turn around.
I don't have a problem turning around. Tell your partner to stop
Put
being
your hands
so...
behind your back and turn
Oh
around.
my God.
It's
Stop being
simple.
so aggressive.
It's simple. All
What
right.
are you doing the most for?
We're working on you
Yo,
right now.
listen,
We're
I'm
telling
talking
you what
calmly
to
to
do.
you, right?
Me too.
Right, so why is your partner being unnecessarily
We have to
aggressive?
do whatever.
You're not listening.
You're not doing what we're
Excuse
telling you
me,
to
you're-
do.
Again.
Don't resist.
It's not a resistance.
Just-
I'm asking
Now
for
you're under
clarity.
arrest.
Well,
Now
we're
you're under
talking to
arrest.
you.
I'm asking for clarity,
I'm
right?
talking to you right now.
Right, I'm talking to
All right.
you.
Okay. But do what we're telling you.
Again, hold on. You ask or you're when
Just
you
do
tell
what
me.
we're telling you to do.
If you tell me to do, you're not
He
asking
told you
me.
5 times to do.
If you're telling me, you're not asking. It's not a request, right?
I gave you a lawful order to get out of the car. I had to tell you 4 times. Then I put your hands behind your back. You pull away. You're done. You're under arrest.
Like seriously?
On February 5th, 2023, a traffic stop over a suspended license escalated into a physical arrest with charges that included resisting without violence and a marijuana citation. Every decision that led there is on body camera. The stop itself was legally solid. The Fourth Amendment requires reasonable, articulable suspicion, a standard confirmed in Delaware versus Prouse. 440 U.S. 648, 1979. A confirmed suspended license satisfies that without question.
Hey, the reason I'm stopping you is you got a suspended driver's license. You're the registered owner of the car. Sorry, what? No, you're the registered owner, right? Yeah, you got a suspended license, and the registration on the car is expired as well, or suspended. No, it's 2024. It's suspended, though, for financial responsibility. 6 copies. Does your window not roll down? Okay. If that's what you want to do. Typically, people roll the windows down, and we don't have to do this. Do you mind rolling the window down?
I mean, kind of, because you have access.
Okay. Well, you are being. That's fine. I'll take your driver's license and your registration, please. He is refusing to roll the windows down. He's making me talk to him through the sunroof. Whatever. He has a joint in the center. There, I can see. I can smell marijuana. I'm going to ask him for his marijuana card. If he does not have one, I'm going to pull him out of the car. We will see if he exits freely. Okay. And then, do you have a medical marijuana card? For the joint on your center there in front of your shifter, yeah. Okay, hand me it. Because I can smell marijuana coming out of the car. Hand me that, sir. Okay. Sir, at this point, I'm going to give you a lawful order to step out of your car. Step out of your car. Okay. You're fine.
I'm being escorted out of the car.
We're not touching you. I said step out of the car.
Touching my car. I'm not trying to talk.
Sure, go ahead.
I'm exchanging information and communicating.
Third time, get out of the car.
I'm getting out of the car.
Step out.
I looked to my side and saw him holding my door. I addressed that. I'm not being difficult. Hands are up. My lights are on.
Step out of the car and stop talking.
Come on.
Stop. You stopped coming out of my car.
Just come out.
What you mean?
Just come out. Simple.
Your car's going to be
Just face
searched.
the vehicle.
We're going to detain you, put your hands behind your back.
Face the
Your car's
vehicle.
going to be searched.
Hey, wait. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Let me turn around. I will turn around. Hey, I'm calm.
Hands behind
I'm
your
trying.
back.
Yo, can you talk to your partner? Talk to your partner. I don't have a problem.
Turn around.
I don't have a problem turning around. Tell your partner to stop
Put
being
your hands
so...
behind your back and turn
Oh
around.
my God.
It's simple.
aggressive.
It's simple. All
What
right.
is you doing the most for?
We're working on you
Yo,
right now.
listen,
We're
I'm
telling
talking
you what
calmly
to
to
do.
you, right?
Me too.
Right. So why is your partner being unnecessarily
We have to
aggressive?
do whatever.
You're not
You're
listening.
not doing what we're
Excuse
telling
me,
you to
you're-
do.
Again,
Don't resist.
it's not a resistance.
Just-
I'm asking
Now
for
you're under
clarity.
arrest.
Well,
Now
we're
you're
talking
under
to you.
I'm
arrest.
asking for clarity,
I'm
right?
talking to you right now.
Right, I'm talking to
All
you.
right. Okay. But do what we're telling
But
you.
again, hold on. You ask or you're when
Just
you
do
tell
what
me.
we're telling you to do.
If you tell me to do, you're not
He
asking
told you
me.
5 times to do.
If you're telling me, you're not asking. It's not a request, right?
I gave you a lawful order to get out of the car. Had to tell you 4 times. Then I put your hands behind your back. You pull away. You're done. You're under arrest.
Like seriously?
You're under arrest.
Where's the resistance? There was no resistance.
When I grab your wrist and I put it on your back, you flex, pull away. You're done. You resisted. You're done. You're under arrest. I'm gonna search you now. It's a done deal. What you did was really silly and stupid. It's all on body camera. You want to show your attorney this?
The exit order the officer issued is fully supported by Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 434 U.S. 106, 1977. The Supreme Court held that during a lawful traffic stop, an officer may order the driver out of the vehicle, no further justification required. Before that exit order, the officer observed a marijuana joint in plain view on the center console and detected its odor. Under the plain view doctrine from Coolidge versus New Hampshire, 403 U.S. 443, 1971. That observation alone established probable cause to search the vehicle. The driver did not produce a medical marijuana card when asked, which is the legal authorization under Florida Statute Section 381, 986. Without it, the marijuana evidence supported both a citation and a full vehicle search under United States v. Ross, 456 U.S. 7, 98, 1982. The resisting charge is the most contested issue in this case. Florida Statute Section 843.02 requires an affirmative act that obstructs or opposes a lawful police function. Passive non-compliance alone does not meet that bar. The dispute here is whether a wrist pull-away during handcuffing qualifies as that affirmative act. The officer described it as a deliberate pull-away. The driver said it was a reflexive movement while trying to cooperate. Both accounts are preserved on body camera, and that footage is the central exhibit if this charge reaches trial. Courts are built to resolve exactly this kind of dispute. The physical force used during the exit is evaluated under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. That standard protects officers who act on what they reasonably perceive, not what the subject intended. The decision to arrest, rather than cite for driving on a suspended license, is backed by Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318, 2001. The Fourth Amendment does not prohibit a custodial arrest for a misdemeanor traffic offense. In Florida, that charge carries up to 1 year under Florida statute. Section 322.34. The officer also noted no active insurance under Florida statute Section 324.071 and offered to contact the insurance company directly to avoid an additional citation. The driver declined. That charge will likely be dismissed in court if valid coverage existed at the time of the stop, but declining the offer made that the harder path.
That's fine. Hey guys, I'll move your car in a second, okay? I'll move this in just a second for you.
Open the door for you.
Say that again.
I was trying to open the door
Right,
for
and
you.
that's what I was addressing because
Right, but then we told you 4 more times to get out of the vehicle, and you kept arguing with us
No.
if you wanted to come out or not.
Hey, there was no debate. I just asked, talk to me. You want to talk to me? Talk to me. Talk at me?
Right.
Respectfully, there's a difference, right?
I can talk to you and do
Hold
my
on,
thing.
talk to me or talk at me, there's a difference, yes or no? I'm just asking, Officer Rodriguez, I'm asking you a question.
Yeah.
I'm already in cuffs.
right.
You already decided I'm going to jail. No, I'm talking to you, right? I'm not talking at you.
All right, go ahead.
Is there respected difference? Yes or no?
Talking is talking. With
No,
you,
no,
and
no,
you,
no,
the
no.
same thing.
When you
Come on,
pull away
Papa,
from us,
'cause-
that's resistance. Take a seat. Take a seat.
All right.
Yeah. You got a more comfortable car?
No.
I'm sorry, that's what we got.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. Hold on, Poppy. Hold on.
All right.
Let me
Now, I'll
please?
give you a chance.
All right.
All right, we're gonna have to shut the door. All right.
I wanted to make sure to get that joint before into a bag before it blew away. I'm red, just so you know. Flashlight. Nothing. Alright, otherwise I don't really see. Say, sir, we're gonna bring your keys and your phone for you. Is there anything else you need out of the car?
Leave my phone in my car.
You want it impounded? Because it's gonna go to Upman's lot. It can stay in your property at the jail. I'm not gonna go through it. It'll be in view right here.
Where's my phone?
Huh?
Can I use my phone to make
No,
phone call?
no, you're under arrest. You can call when you get to the jail.
Alright, my keys can stay in the car.
Your keys?
Yeah.
Your personal.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm in the car.
All right. You want your phone though to come with so you can get numbers at the jail?
Sure.
Okay. All right. Do you have any questions, man? About the process of the traffic stop? Or no?
You said I could have just been let go for a $100 ticket.
Literally.
That's not happening on the
possession.
driving on a suspended license. And that's what you stopped me for. That was your probable cause.
No, I'm talking about the marijuana. The civil citation for the marijuana, dude. And that's what I'm talking about.
That's still debatable in court. Going to jail tonight is what I know I was doing because
Why?
driving on a suspended license, which you just informed me of. And unless you're going to let me go on without proof of knowledge, I know that I'm going to jail. This is my first time. Look at that paperwork.
I know. I see how many you have. And I see how long you've been suspended for. Yes.
So I'm not oblivious to what's going on.
All right.
I know it's still without knowledge, but
in the city though, I don't know if you've been arrested by HP or SL. We release people with a court date for knowledge in our city all the time, every day.
You could have just released me.
Yes, but I have to search your car to check for marijuana.
There's no problem
first.
for that. But to manhandle me and not give me the clarity when I'm asking, because you want clarity.
I was very calm and patient with you. The second,
do you see my paperwork? I'm post-traumatic, but you're not acknowledging it.
The second you pull away, dude, you're done. That's
my
resisting.
Look at my name on there. You see my post-traumatic?
It doesn't say post-traumatic.
That's what that says, because I've been stopped that many times, so my experience with you is not on a winning side. And if you don't identify that when you see the nervousness and the fidgety body language that says suspect, but it's not that. It's anxiety, unidentified. And I'm just saying this
But
calmly.
you understand why you're under arrest, though. The pulling away. The second you do that from an officer and you're being told to put your hands behind your back, you're done. You're under arrest for that. And we had to try 3 or 4 times because you're a big guy, man.
I was coming out of the car because, again, as you see that paperwork, you don't see any violence on that paperwork.
You're not getting charged with it's resisting without violence.
You know why you don't see any violence on there? Because I'm not a violent individual.
I don't think you are, but I think you resisted
But if you respond to me as if I'm violent and say that I'm resisting, but
you did resist though.
You grab me by my collar and you want me to do what? You take my hand and we're not dancing. We're doing what?
I grabbed your wrist and I pulled it. You yanked it away and you went, I'm not resisting. It's all on body camera.
Right.
I'm letting you know.
You grabbed me.
Yep. I was going to take you to the ground, but you're too big.
I didn't touch you first. You touched me first.
100%.
Right. So here I am trying to seek clarity on what's happening, and it's progressing faster than the officer's willing to calmly clarify.
I told you.
That's not a request.
When you stepped out, I said, I'm going to search your car. Put your hands behind your back, and then you yanked away. After that, it's done.
Simple.
And I'm here.
Exactly what happened. It's on video camera.
I just want you to know, so when you go to your attorney and you look at the police affidavit and the body camera, there's no question why you're in handcuffs. I'm a fair officer. I don't like doing that, man. That's not fun.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
You see the time delay between asking you a question and actually getting to the question? If we want clarity, even in a stop, there's no need to rush it, because where am I going? I know the odds are against me.
No, you need to listen when you're told something to do by an officer.
You got a lawful order. There is no clarity on that. You do the order and then we explain everything. But you have to do what we tell you.
You know, it started when I didn't roll down my passenger window, officer.
That's on body camera, man. I didn't give you any issues with the passenger window, so don't give him that. Shut the door. He's going to go down an avenue. He's saying that I was upset with the passenger. My body camera will disprove that. No, I said, okay, I'm not going to push on that. He's saying I got upset over the window. The second he said, we can talk through here, I said, all right, I'm not going to push that. Verbatim. He wants these to stay in the car. I'll take his hat and his phone. Otherwise...
Do you need the other key?
No. The other key needs to stay with the car for Upman's.
And what is this one?
Yes.
Oh, this is for it.
I have a request. Can my personal effects, my wallet, and my laptop. It's stuck in the trunk of my car.
Your laptop and your wallet?
My laptop and my wallet. Stuck
Where's your laptop?
It's in that black bag.
Sure. What?
There's a valet switch in my glove box.
A valet
Put the valet
switch.
switch in my glove box. Lock my glove box. Give me my keys to my personal effects. I didn't have a chance to secure my vehicle when you asked me to exit my vehicle.
Hang on.
And now I'm in handcuffs.
Yes.
And I need to secure my personal effects as you put it in impound. And I don't have that option. So I'm asking is...
So put
my personal effects in the trunk of my car. Turn on my valet switch. Lock my glove box.
All right. Hang on. So there's a few things he wants done. Thank you. I appreciate it. Sir, your request has been completed. That switch needs to be black instead of red, right? For it to be, the valet switch to be on?
Yeah.
Okay, then it's done.
Is my glove box locked?
Yes. You're welcome. During the course of the traffic stop, you were unable to locate the insurance the time I had given you. I understand I asked you to step out of the car. No, hang on. But the state shows that you do not have insurance. Which company can I call for you to confirm that you have insurance? Because the state says you don't, so I don't have to give you a ticket for that as well. Okay. All right. You would like to prove it in court instead, like just have it dismissed after proving it?
I'm sitting here in intake. Bro, what are you talking to me about? You've already determined I'm going to jail.
I'm asking if I can call your insurance company.
As possible.
Okay.
Like, if you wanted to help me, you could have took these cuffs off me, wrote me a $100 ticket on the site, because you saw that again, and let me go. That's not what happened.
Yeah, you definitely made mistakes tonight, yes. Things could have definitely gone a lot different.
The officer receives a B+. The stop was lawful. The exit order was constitutionally grounded. Post-arrest communication was transparent, and he accommodated the driver's personal property requests beyond what the law required. Earlier, more deliberate communication in the first 60 seconds may have made the physical confrontation avoidable. The driver receives a C+. He was nonviolent and genuinely legally aware, but the window refusal set an adversarial tone immediately. Delaying the exit multiplied his legal exposure. And the wrist movement, whatever the intent, gave officers the statutory basis for an additional charge on top of an arrest that was already coming. Most of the legal exposure in this encounter was created in the first 2 minutes, before a single handcuff was out. That is the pattern this footage repeats. Here are 5 lessons this stop teaches that apply to any driver in any state. Lesson 1. Rolling down your window is not a waiver of your rights. It costs you nothing, and it tells the officer you are not a threat. The adversarial dynamic in this stop started with that one refusal, before a single word was spoken about the license. Lesson 2. A lawful exit order under Pennsylvania v. Mimms is not a request, and it is not negotiable. Every second of delay after that order is documented. It does not become evidence in your favor. Lesson 3. If you hold a medical marijuana card under Florida Statute Section 381-986, carry it with you on every drive. Without it physically in your hand when the officer asks, it does not protect you in that moment, regardless of whether it exists. Lesson 4. During handcuffing, keep still and announce every movement before you make it. Any physical act an officer can describe as pulling away satisfies Florida Statute Section 843-02. Intent does not appear in the charging document. Behavior does. Lesson 5. If your vehicle is going to impound, ask calmly and immediately that your personal property be secured. Officers have no legal obligation to honor that request, but many will when it is made respectfully. It is worth asking, even from handcuffs. If there is an interaction or a legal topic you want us to analyze, drop it in the comments. If this video helped you understand your rights, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Knowing the law before you need it is the only time it actually works in your favor.